Hi there, Goodgolf here with a short new installment in the series of Unity and Networking. In Unity Networking Mirror Part 10 I explained a massive multiplayer server model based on instanced game servers. I kept toying with the idea to build a whole example project on how to do that in the past year. Luckily, I didn't go beyond researching the different components, because there is a solution out there which can get you started for free. The Master Server Toolkit basically provides all the components you would need and then some. Let me show you what it contains. Connecting to the Master Server with an authentication mechanism. Use a database to store user profiles. Spawning game rooms, as in where the matched players play the online game. You can do that as separate processes. I'm sure you can even spawn remote servers with a little bit of coding. A chat and an HTTP server module. The toolkit does support Mirror and Fishnet, which I think can set you up for success if you really want to scale out your game to multiple servers for better performance. I will not be creating any detailed videos on this toolkit anytime soon. First of all, I tend to create videos based on projects I'm working on, and this is not on my list anywhere in the top 3. Next to that, there are a series of videos by Game Dev Noob which can help you get started. So I duplicate that. If you want to get started with this toolkit, make sure you join the author's Discord. The documentation on the site is somewhat sparse. However, there is quite some activity there, albeit not all in English. This kit is not for beginners. You will need to have some solid understanding of C#, databases and networking to get it working. Like always, there's no easy path to get networking games done properly. However, this kit can make it work for you much easier. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. I will be off working on the next video.